In today's video, we will be talking about the 17 coolest gadgets you can buy. Number 17. Fxlion Nano 1 5 battery. This battery appears small, but it boasts a 50-watt power output and about 8 working currents. It has a lot of USB ports that permits the charging of any device. It has caps that prevent dirt and splash, as well as a built-in LCD that helps know the battery level. Number 16. Moojay monitor stand. This monitor stand has a fordable design that saves space on your desktop. It also raises your monitor and helps keep your posture straight. The underneath space will be used to store your keyboard and papers. A small drawer also helps store office supplies in one place. Number 15. Ipevo Document Camera. Ipevo Document Camera is a colorful document camera. If you want to see everything in your book in detail, you only have to plug your camera into your TV or a projector using HDMI. In case you want to see the image in another color, you can toggle between various filters or use the built-in LED light to work in low light conditions. Number 14. Platypod. This device is a 0.2-inch thick aircraft-grade aluminum plate that has a fused titanium 3/8-inch bolt in the center that can accept a tripod head for spring-loaded metal hinges for the legs, and you can also adjust easily. With this device, you can keep your bulky camera gear stable without taking up space in your bag. Number 13. Paper shoot camera. In case you're feeling blue about retro images and videos, but you don't want to carry bulky cameras, you can use this slimmest cam that has a heart warning retro touch similar to any other retro camera. It runs on batteries. You can press a single button on the body to take photos or turn on the device. And don't forget to choose one of the 4 filters to make them more atmospheric. Number 12. Anzine Energy Block. This device can charge your portable fridge, your cam, your drone, and your laptop all at once. You can also plug into your e-scooter or e-bike to stroll around the city. It is bulletin-proof and there are many ways to charge it. Number 11. Laptop. This is an anti-theft device that keeps your laptop safe no matter where you take it. It has 800 decibel alarm. You mount the alarm on the device and push the button. So, even if you have to leave your laptop for a long time, it gives you peace of mind. Number 10. This allows you to keep your data separate. It has a 32:9 aspect ratio and 1920 by 770 HD resolution, and you can use it in portrait mode or landscape. The device display is fully laminated with an IPS panel that is super clear to ensure colors are accurate from any angle. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are enjoying the content. Number 9. Doka. This mouse will organize your workflow in a new way. Connect the device to your Mac OS, computer, or Windows and ensure you fill the icons of the most needed programs. You can easily select the shortcut you want and continue the project. Number 8. Fxlion Suitcase. This device will turn into a chair or a bed in a few simple steps. You can work and even watch another series of your favorite movie with comfort. You can use the cover as a mattress or a cozy. It also has an integrated power bank with a connector for charging. Number 7. UB Plus Double Bass Speaker. This device produces audiophile quality sound from its 4.5-inch woofer. If you intend to watch a movie, you can use Bluetooth 5.3 for synchronization up to 8 UB+, a unit for perfect surround audio and deep beats. Number 6. SharkGeek Capsule Gravity. Using this device is easy. Simply activate a 25 minutes timer or adjust it to your desired limit. Adjust the volume so you can hear the alarm when the time is over. It can be used as a countdown timer if you want to cook. Number 5. Zeppy Speakers. You can use one of the 6 profiles of this device to throw a party or chill on your sound cloud and experience sound waves wandering all over your body. You can also use it outdoors for a picnic and in the swimming pool, as it is a waterproof equipment. Number 4. Folding Mobility Smash Circle S1. This e-bike is small and can cover up to 13 miles with about 13 miles per hour speed. It has an effective electronic brake. You can fold this device when you get to your destination point in simple 5 steps. Number 3. Clicko. This device will help you clean your devices without you breaking a sweat. Made with 8 built brushes for the effective cleaning of your laptop, AirPod, keyboard, and any other hard-to-reach device. The cube is modular, so you can choose the brushes you want the most. Number 2. Lap Gear Home Office Lap Desk. This device provides a wide surface that fits any laptop up to 15.6 inches. It has a special edge that makes sure that your device or laptop does not slip off the desk. It has a pad and a phone slot that allows both horizontal and vertical positioning. Number 1. Seeds. This device helps to ease stiffness, reducing stress and iconic pain. It has 2 units that combine thermal therapy, aromatherapy, and far infrared therapy. Place the aromatherapy pads on the area in your body, attach the units, and press the button to pick the needed mod and intensity levels.